Yo, what's good? We're back. Sorry about the lighting. I just moved. We're gonna get it all fixed. Get some good stuff on the wall back here. You know what I'm saying? Elevation. So from the title, just like everybody else right now, man. While I'm switching from futures, from forex to futures, like let's be real. Main reason is the SEC cracking down on everybody. The river is muddy. It's muddy. Like a lot of people been getting caught up with scamming and just people just not regulating, following the regulations of the U.S. rules, like FTMO. So I'm not saying FTMOs are scamming. They just got to figure out how to, let U.S. traders trade. You feel me? So for me, as of right now, it's temporary. It's temporary until at least FTMO can figure out how we can trade, you know? So it's temporary for me for right now. But futures, I've been trading futures for about a good month with Topstep, and it hasn't been bad. I'm not gonna lie. Like when I first thought about trading futures, I was like, dang, bro. Like I just spent all this time, all these years learning Forex. Like now I gotta learn something that sounds a bit crazier and more intense than Forex. And I didn't even know if you can trade futures, or not futures, but currencies on the futures market. But you can. You can. Only thing is like all the pairs that you trade has to go against the dollar. So it's like Euro USD, GBP USD. You know what I'm saying? Like it has to go against the dollar. Like you're not going to be trading like USD JPY. You feel me? So that's the main thing, and also like it's not too much of a difference. If you have a strategy with Forex, you can transition to the futures market. The charts are the same. The charts are the exact same. You feel me? It's the same. Only thing that's different is you're not trading with lot sizes. You're trading with contracts. You have to be aware like what instrument you're trading, whether it's a mini or a micro. That stuff. I am learning more of slowly but surely. I just kind of dived in, but hey, it is what it is. I've been doing okay. Past my combine with Top Step, but the next step right now, where I'm at right now, I had a bad week last week. I'm trying to recover some funds, but it is what it is. You learn, you live, and you learn. So with the SEC, man, SEC been cracking down on all these prop firms. A lot of them been getting exposed for scamming, for scamming, which we already knew that. We already knew that, and that's what makes it hard for Forex, man. That's what gives Forex this bad name. It's the scamming, and then when you have the companies that scam you on top of the gurus, it's like it's tough. It's tough, and a lot of these gurus been getting exposed too, like getting paid and been using fake payouts to draw us in to trade with these funded companies. That's real tough. You feel me? So the reason why I'm not like just switching over trading my own funds is first like I ain't trying to trade no unregulated broker, and with an unregulated broker you will get the leverage. You can get the 1 to 500, and I'm not trying to do that because SEC going to crack down on that as well. And also I'm not trying to do this short term. I want to do this long term, man. Like this is my passion. I don't want to mess with somebody that can. I have to like look over my shoulder 24/7. Like I'm trying to grow something. You feel me? So unregulated broker is not where it's at. So it's like, why not go with a regulated broker? It's the leverage. Just being real. Like if we keep it 100, keep it a bean, we're all trading these funded accounts because we ain't got 10K to throw into account. We ain't got 20K to throw into account. Barely got 5K, if that, to throw into an account. So it's like we're coming from trading these funded accounts that's like 50, 100K to a regulated broker that, for one, has probably only the max of a 1 to 30 leverage. When we're over here trading 1 to 100. Like that's tough. That's tough. Like we're going to be chasing money. It's going to mess with your psychology. You're going to be chasing money. Like you're going to be trading and risking like like a few dollars, bruh. A few dollars when you're over here with these funded accounts, you are risking a couple of hundred. You're going to be risking a few hundred. So for me at the time, it's not worth it. You feel me? It's really not worth it. But as time go on, I will be taking funds from my futures accounts, from my other sources, my clothing brand and all that, putting it into a regulated broker and slowly building it. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to just depend on that right now because I don't want to feel like pressure to try to run up a check. You know what I'm saying? Like I say, I want this to be long time, long term. So That's why everybody's switching over, man. It's just like it's tough. It's tough. Like these regulations coming down, they're real. They're tough. I know everybody's probably like, dang, bro, like I'm just getting funded. I'm about to get a payout, and now this happened. But just be patient. Be patient, because somebody's going to figure it out, and it's most likely going to be FCMO. Like they're probably gonna figure it out how to let U.S. traders trade. And then once it's back and rolling again, like we won't be. I don't think we're gonna have to worry about too much scamming going on. You feel me? It's gonna be better for us in the end. We're just gonna be patient, like real talk. Just be patient. And also, with all these regulations coming out, it's going to weed out a lot of scamming, a lot of scamming. Because if you're a new trader, a lot of us are pandemic traders, like real talk. If you're a pandemic trader, I'm pretty sure you've lost thousands of dollars from these scams. You feel me? And that's going to be like minimum once all these regulations get pushed through. So just be patient, man. Keep your head up. If you're looking into trading futures, do some research. You know what I'm saying? It's not, the transition is not that bad at all. It's not that bad at all. It's just like trading with a Forex funded company. You have to find a company that matches your style. Like I'm a swing trader. I like to hold trades overnight, sometimes a week, sometimes 2 weeks. And really all these futures funded companies, none of them really let you hold trades overnight. So that's the biggest thing for me, so I have to like, maneuver and change up my strategy a bit, something I did not want to do, but you gotta adapt. You gotta adapt. So hey man, get to learning, go run up a check. 2024 to beyond. We in there, all right, y'all?